let's see what I got in my Jeffree Star Supreme mystery box that my husband surprised me with. So one of the first things that I got is this super cute pink and purple tie-dye muscle tank. I'm going to kind of tie it up here at the top, but it's got the logo, and I put purple undershirt underneath it. So cute. And then I received a Jeffree Star beach ball. I cannot wait to take this out to the lake and have some fun. Next, I received the Z palette, a pink Jeffree Star Cosmetics Z palette, and then I received 3 shadows. They are Blue Blood, Deceased, and then I received one that was Shattered, but they are sending me a replacement, and the color for that is Entitled. Then I received a velour lip scrub in the scent Candy Necklace. It smells so good and delicious. A Jeffree Star lip liner in the shade Leo, which I have on my lips today underneath that gloss. And the gloss that I have on top of that lip liner is this right here. Isn't the packaging absolutely beautiful? It's called The Gloss, and it's in the color Heaven's Gate. Then I received this liquid lipstick, and I couldn't figure out what the shade name is supposed to be called because there's just a picture. But this is the color that I received. And also a Supreme gloss in the color Celebrity Skin. This is absolutely beautiful. One of the things that I got that I'm most excited to show you is this Extreme Frost highlighting powder. It comes in this beautiful vinyl case, and this is what it looks like. So beautiful. This is what it looks like. Isn't it stunning? And I'm wearing this color on my eyelids today, and it's called Stripper Magic. Isn't it beautiful? Then I received the Star Ranch palette. If you don't want to see what this looks like, I would definitely scroll to a different video. But here's what the colors of this look like. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I used it for most of my look today, just not the Stripper Magic color right there or my highlight. I also received a big palette. I received Blood Money, which I do not own. It has this little clasp that unlocks it. And then this is what the colors look like in this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this to create a whole bunch of looks. And then last but not least, I received my first ever Jeffree Star mirror. I cannot wait to show you guys. I got the Pink Sickle. Come on, how freaking cute is this? So that was everything that I got in my mystery box. What did you get in yours?